The history of Liberty Steel is it was founded in 1965 by Jim and Jack Weller. It started as a steel service center. In 1998, we began to add more value to our customers and we started supplying first operation blanks. And since that time, we've continued to grow our value add portion of the business. And in 2014, we changed our name to Liberty Steel Industries to more reflect our company today. Liberty Steel Industries has 3 locations. Warren, Ohio, where we perform heavy gauge stamping, first operation blanks, coil processing, cut to length material. We also do fabrication, welding, and then we also have another location in Lordstown, Ohio, which is our warehouse, our shipping and receiving point, and also we do large assemblies there. And then we have our newest facility, which is in Saltillo, Mexico, which is almost a duplicate of what we do in Ohio. We have multiple presses up to 2,000 tons. Our primary markets that we serve is heavy truck, lawn and garden, natural gas piping, school bus, and consumer goods.
A lot of our work is done for customers who need emergency situations. We do very quick turnaround on jobs. It's not unusual for us to get a call 10, 11, 12 o'clock at night when a customer's presses break down or a competitor's press break down, where we can help them out, change our dies, change our format, and get those parts out to them early the next day. Our niche is heavy stampings. We like to make parts that other customers can't do. That is what most of our work is entailed. We do some assembly, nut and bolt, fasteners, mechanical. We do a lot of spot welding, projection spot welding, MIG welding, which helps a lot of customers out because they want point of production delivery from us. Why choose us over someone else? Delivery standards, service, quality. Those are all things that are foremost in our mission and our plan to build this company to be profitable.
We installed the line and press in 1999, and it was kind of a unique line because in addition to the COE feed line and the press, we had a light gauge leveler that COE was able to incorporate into the line. So it gave the ability to run anything from 0.35 thick all the way up to 3/8 inch thick. So we are basically handle any opportunity that may come our way. And that over time, the business sort of changed and developed that we do much more heavy gauge and high strength and ultra high strength steel stamping. And as a result of that, we were probably pushing the limits of the original equipment, past their practical operating range. So in essence, we kept doing damage to our gearing, and we just kept putting Band-Aids on it, and it's time that we needed to make a change. We process a wide range of material. The real reason for that page, we do a lot more high strength material and ultra high strength, grade 80, grade 100. We're also doing some exotic aluminum alloys now, which are a little bit different challenge. And we also process much more high carbon steel through that machine than we did before, which is a very high tensile strength. And we were going to order what we thought were the damaged parts just to keep operating. And then they got involved and basically they said, we'd be doing a disservice selling you these parts because obviously you're not using the machine the way it was intended. We laid out a very clear plan. In essence, we were going to have to take the piece of equipment out for 2 weeks. So take it off, clean off, ship it to COE. It came back in 2 days, have it back up and run. Once we said go, everything went pretty smooth. We've been doing business with COE since 1998. They were the first servo feed that we had purchased for the company. Since then, I have 5 here in Ohio, and we have 1 installed in Mexico. One of the greatest things about COE, or 2 of the greatest things I think with COE is when you lay out what material that you plan on running and the speed you can run, they will do the engineering up front. I've never been disappointed when I said I'm going to run this material at this speed that their machine was not capable of doing that. The other thing is service. Every time you call, you have an issue. You talk to a service person. It could even be Saturday or Sunday. You always talk to a real person that knows the equipment. And I've never called and needed something repaired that said, oh no, we no longer support that. They may have updated or changed it and you may have to make some modifications, but I'm still running that piece of equipment I bought in 1998 every single day.
I've worked on a lot of different machines in regards to the COE feeder. What I have seen from the COE product is some of the reliability from their service department. I work closely with their service department for parts, and that really makes me feel good about what I can do if I have a breakdown.
I would recommend COE really for 3 reasons. You know, the value for what you receive equipment-wise, their ongoing support, and then their upfront engineering to make sure that the equipment is right for your needs.